Alright, rolling? Alright. I just got on the timing chain set, the timing chain cover, the water pump's on, harmonic balancer's on, and this awesome purple crank pulley. You can take a look here. You can see my machinist helped me here by all these numbers read correctly. All the dots in there on the pistons are forward. So, and then also all the stamped numbered sides are together in the connecting rods. So those are all torqued to 35 foot-pound. Main bolts, main cap bolts have been torqued to 65 foot-pound. Got a little bit of the sealant type stuff down in there to keep that last cap there from leaking any oil. Your main seal's in, and got all that. Let's see, I don't know if there's anything else on here. Here's the top. You can see there's the brand new piston right there. This piston used to be back there. The reason it says that, because I actually somehow or another had bent the wrist pin a little bit. I don't know what happened. I probably should know why or figure it out, but I don't know. Come up here to the front. Do you know how to press pause on it? Let's go. Okay, so I had a little small crank pulley on here, and I didn't like it. Here's the difference. Like race style pulley, we're going with the standard box body size pulley. I'm just going to rotate the motor over and watch this. It's got a little effort. I guess it's the rings. It ain't bad. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty smooth. Watch everything go. Comes up to right about flush. I mean, it's just going off feel here. It's already going back down. So, press pause again. Press play. Okay, this is what I got to run. That's the part number. You see that? These are the more of a performance roller lifter, and the stock ones are over there. You can see the stock ones there, and they worked fine. They worked fine. But just in case somebody's wondering, the body of them, the new ones are taller. But if you look at the design here, where the push rod sits down in there and the height of everything here, it comes out to about the same. So your push rod length should work. If it worked for this, it should work here. I checked all this, and that cup and everything is like 3 thousandths lower than this or something like that. But basically, the housing here is taller, but it all equals out like the same. I was checking it out. So these are supposed to take you like better, higher RPM or something. Okay. So that's pretty much it.